We're so excited about our SmokeFire pellet grill, and you probably have some questions on how do I do direct grilling or grilling on our SmokeFire. So let me walk you through a little bit of the basics, right? First, you want to keep the lid closed. That helps the grill preheat properly. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. What I have found that works really well is keep the grill closed for about 3 to 4 minutes after you get to that desired temperature. It really helps with the evenness of heat on the inside. Other things, keep the grates clean. Clean all that excess residual off. That helps with food from sticking. You get that beautiful caramelization that Weber's have always been known for. The other thing you might notice is some flare-ups, and that's totally normal. It's something you'll find on our gas grills. The reason why we have the flavorizer bars in our grills is to help lessen those and create more of that even heat. So if you're noticing some hot spots, don't worry. The grill's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Also, we have our Weber Connect on here, and this really helps you because even if food is cooking a little bit faster or slower, this will monitor it and tell you exactly when to take it off. One thing finally, this is all direct cooking space on our grill, right? So no matter where you put your food, it's gonna cook it perfectly. Just make sure you got that Weber Connect so you take the food off at the desired temperature that you want. And those are some of the basics when you're gonna be grilling here in our SmokeFire.